So I have this little backpacker guitar, and sadly there's a little bit of a dent in the neck here, and I'm going to show you how to take it out with an iron and some water and a towel. I got a towel that's basically out of cotton, so I can take the heat of iron. I've seen some folks say put it on a medium setting. I see some folks put it on high heat. I'm just going to, in theory, what we're doing is trying to pull it out. So I'm going to put a little bit, just kind of put a little bit of water on that area there with a wet towel. And I'll double it up first. And I'm just going to take, this iron's been going for a while, so I'm just going to basically move it around. You don't want to keep it in one space too long, because that way it might actually use the wood up. So I'm going to move the, okay, I'll check it. Let's see. Okay. All right. Let's do that. Let's do that some more. So apparently, what happens, of course, you know, wood has water in it, and if you put water in it, it's going to help lift up the little dent in it. And it's not horrible. Actually, it's almost gone right now. This is pretty amazing. Wow, this is almost gone. I'll show you. I took before pictures, and I'll just do a little bit more, because this is almost gone. Man, that's pretty good. I'll just do a little bit more, but man, golly, this is a lot better. A whole lot better. All right. So I'm going to say that this is working at 100% basically. Well, I don't know, maybe like 95%. But this is going to make me not hate playing this guitar a whole lot more. And so this is like, you can still see a little bit of something there, but it is not as deep at all. And matter of fact, I can sort of feel it a little bit, but if I were to sand this, I'm sure I could get rid of it. I'm not going to sand it because I don't want to take off the whatever the finish is on here. And of course, this is kind of a natural finish going on. I believe this is like oil on here. Of course, if you had some type of lacquer on it, you'd probably have to refinish the guitar neck, but fortunately this one isn't that way. And actually, it's a little hard for me to find exactly where it's at. When I do the after picture, it's going to be a little bit hard to know. This is really good. Well, I'm going to call this really successful. So hopefully you'll never get a dent in your guitar neck, but if you do, and you're willing to try this method out, it works. Professional guitar luthiers do this. Of course, anybody that works with wood knows this little trick as well. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to rock out with this backpacker guitar. Competed. So after using the iron on this thing, I can barely see something there, but I don't feel it. Before, I felt it bad. So this is not. This is fantastic. So I'm very happy with this here. So this does work a lot. I highly recommend you use the iron method if you're trying to take out a dent on your guitar. And you might see a little bit of something there, but golly, before it was actually something you would feel. This is. Honestly, I sort of feel a little bit of it, but again, a little bit of sanding would just take that right on out. And so I'm just very impressed. I'll let you know if it continues to stay there. I don't know if it's going to swell back down, but I'm guessing probably not. The fibers in the water and whatnot. So after that, I'm not going to feel sad playing this guitar, because every time I was going to that 6th fret over here, it's like, oh, I feel that dent. Now, I'm not feeling it at all. So as always, rock and roll, and of course, it does compute, everybody. If you like this type of content, please subscribe. This is the most unique content anywhere in the universe. My name is Herbert Midgley. I am the internet legend, and of course, it does compute. Subscribe, everybody. Yeah, computed.